Hi and welcome to Nick's Trains. Today's video I'll be running this WAG1 with these wagons, and the rail bus is there in the branch line. That will be there. I'll not be running that today, and I'll be running on the outer line this BZA WAM4 with the blue coaches. So let's start the trains one by one. So let's see from different angles. Get to work with the scenery in this area. Okay, so I'll stop the trains. They have been running for a while. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching these trains. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and enjoy the hobby of model trains. और ऐसे ही वीडियो अगर आप देखना चाहेंगे तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए चैनल को और मॉडल रेलवेज को सपोर्ट कीजिए। थैंक यू।